Alright, quick question. What's the biggest difference between a flip phone and a rollable phone? Most people would probably just blurt out, well, one folds and one rolls, fair enough, but the real answer, it's the crease. Yep, flip phones leave you with that little line smack dab in the middle of the screen, and you'll feel it every single time you scroll, swipe, or doom scroll through memes at 2 a.m. Rollable phones though, no crease. It's like magic if magic was still stuck in prototype stages. Speaking of which, Samsung's been cooking up something on that front. So back on April 15th, the US Patent and Trademark Office officially gave the green light to a new Samsung patent for a rollable phone. Now, taking a peek at the design sketches, outside of this chunky little chin at the bottom, the bezels are thin. The display actually rolls out using a mechanism that adds a bit of thickness to the phone, probably a trade-off for making that display stretchable. And if you check the camera layout, it's giving off Galaxy Z Flip 6 vibes. 2 lenses and a flash sitting at the top left corner. Now, to be clear, rollable phones aren't exactly new territory. LG almost dropped one before they pieced out of the smartphone game back in 2021. Their version was more like a phone to tablet kind of deal, and remember Motorola's concept? That one expanded vertically, turning a tiny 4-inch screen into a 6.5-inch display. Honestly, that was wild. What we don't have right now though are specs, launch dates, or even solid proof this Samsung Rollable will hit shelves. And as much as companies love to patent weird and wonderful ideas, not everything makes it past the blueprint phase. Samsung's actually toyed with the idea of dual rollable phones before. Yep, back in 2021, they filed patents for a design where both sides of the screen would roll out, so instead of just one side expanding, the phone could stretch into a mini tablet from both ends. Sounds kind of wild, right? Could be super useful, or just pure overkill depending on how you look at it. But like I mentioned earlier, not every patent makes it to an actual product. Sometimes these ideas just live on paper, gathering dust in a drawer somewhere. Anyway, if this ever drops, would you be into a phone that literally transforms itself into a bigger display? Or are you team flip phone for life? I gotta know where you stand on this one. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.